Submitting a ticket. The ticket section allows you to contact the ATEC team for technical assistance, or to report any problem in regards to the ATEP platform or equipment. Click on Tickets from the left menu. At the top of the page you will find ATEC's contact information in case of emergency. Please use the ticket system for traceability purposes. In case of a particular situation, you will find additional information under the Documentation tab on your left. Click on Create to create a ticket. At the top of the form, enter the name of the ticket corresponding to the problem encountered. Fields marked with a pencil icon can be modified. On a scale of 1 to 5, rate the urgency of the problem. Then, do the same to rate the importance of the problem. If necessary, enter the users of your group, who will be notified when the ticket progresses. In the field Selectable Sensors, type a portion of the sensor name and select it. Enter as much information as possible about the explanation of the incident. We invite you to insert images, videos, and hyperlinks to better explain your situation. The fields, cause, and solution are kept up to date by ATEC. Once finished, click Save and notify followers to send your ticket. It will appear in the tickets list, with a pending status. If you need to add information after saving, it is always possible to go back and modify the ticket by clicking on Edit. If you have any questions, contact our experts by phone or email.